everyone, if you have been struggling to understand SEO, keywords, backlinks and all that techie jargon, today's video is all for you because SEO in 2025 has changed big time. But the best part, you don't need an SEO expert to win this game anymore. In this video, I'll show you how Writecream AI can help you tap into this new SEO updates, rank your content and help you start making money without any prior SEO knowledge. Stay till the end because I will give you step-to-step guide AI SEO earning blueprint that you can start using today. First, let's talk what's happening with SEO right now. Google and other search engines now prioritize AI-generated summaries and contextual snippets. Traditional 10 blue links are dead. It's all about topic authority and user intent. EEAT 2.0 Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Search engines now look for content that sounds human, relatable, and shows real-world experience. AI content detectors are more advanced, but don't worry, I'll show you how Writecream bypasses them. Voice search and conversational queries. People are searching like what they're talking. For example, what's the easiest way to grow my blog in 2025? SEO now needs to match a natural language tone. Video and short form content visibility. SEO not just about blogs anymore. YouTube Shorts, Reels, AI-generated podcasts are now ranking on Google. Now here's the problem. You don't know SEO. You don't know keyword research. You don't have the time or money to hire SEO experts. But you know that you need traffic to grow your business, blog, YouTube and even your freelancing gig. That's where Writecream AI becomes a game changer. Let me show you how Writecream simplifies SEO. Step 1. Instant keyword strategy. Use Writecream's AI SEO keyword generator. Input your topic idea like fitness tips for beginners. The tool will give you trending keywords, LSI term and even suggest long-tail conversational query. Step 2. Humanize SEO content in minutes. With Writecream's AI article generator plus humanizer, you can generate a full SEO optimized blog post, then humanize it instantly to pass AI detection tools. It auto-implies EEAT principles, adding credibility. Step 3. Meta tags, snippets and FAQs. Writecream AI can write meta titles, descriptions and even people also ask FAQ snippets that match Google's AI-driven layout. Step 4. AI video scripts and short ideas for SEO traffic. Generate YouTube video scripts or even Instagram reel ideas that are SEO optimized for search engines. Step 5. Repurpose and automate content distribution. Turn your blog into LinkedIn posts, email newsletters and even YouTube descriptions with Writecream's content purposing tool. You're probably wondering, how can I make money from this? Here are 3 proven methods you can start today. First, freelancing SEO content services. Offer blog writing, content humanization or even SEO optimization on Fiverr and Upwork. You don't need to know SEO, you need Writecream. Second, start a niche blog or YouTube channel. Pick a niche, use Writecream to create content, humanize it and start ranking. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing and sponsorship. Third, help local businesses with AI SEO solutions. Small businesses need SEO but can't afford agencies. Offer them AI-generated blog posts, website content and local SEO optimization using Writecream. So if you are tired with complicated SEO strategies and want a plug-to-play system that works in 2025, Writecream is your best bet. Click the link in the description to try Writecream for free and start growing your business today. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI growth hacks and comment below. AI SEO if you want me to share my secret freelancing templates next video.